Assalamualaikum and hello. Let's continue for this video with what is isotope. So isotope, the definition itself is two or more atoms of the same element that have the same number of protons in their nucleus but different number of neutrons. So the one that I highlighted here is the keyword. So if you left one keyword in your answer, you will not get the full mark for definition of isotope. So please be careful. So let's continue how you want to determine whether the element in the periodic table that you've known so far got isotope or not. I'm going to choose this example, which is hydrogen and uranium. You can see that from hydrogen, we got three different isotopes for hydrogen. When you realize, I write the isotope notation for three different symbols for hydrogen isotopes. First thing first, you can prove that all these three isotopes for hydrogen got the same proton number. Same goes for uranium, because for hydrogen we got the proton number is 1, all of them. And for uranium we got the proton number is 92. But the difference is the number of neutrons. So usually the number of neutrons is dependent on the nucleon number. So that's why when you write the value for nucleon number, you can see that there is a difference between three isotopes for hydrogen and the difference between two isotopes for uranium based on their nucleon number. So that's how you can prove these two elements here, hydrogen and uranium, got isotopes. The next one, you have to understand, isotope got the different physical properties but the same chemical properties. So physical and chemicals are different thing. Chemical properties means that when you do the reaction of chemical, that's why for isotopes, they will show the same result for the chemical reaction. But for different physical properties, how physical properties work, usually we take a look at the boiling point or melting point. So that's how you can see that. For example, uranium-235 and uranium-238 from the previous slide got different physical properties such as different value for melting point. That's extra information for isotopes. I got also a few examples here for isotopes of carbon and isotope of nitrogen. You can see that for carbon we have three different isotopes here, and for nitrogen we got three as well. So why we talk about isotope? Because based on this, we are going to talk about abundance of isotopes exist for that element. So this is where we are going to relate with the next video, relative atomic mass and mass spectrometry. So that's all for the introduction of isotope. I hope you are clear with how to determine whether elements in the periodic table got isotope or not. Please make sure you have to understand they got same element with the same number of protons but different number of neutrons or different nucleon number. So that's all for this video. Thank you.